Hi guys, welcome to Queen's Yummy's Paradise. Today I'll be showing you how I made this yummy chicken thighs. If this is your first time joining my channel, thank you. I do hope you do subscribe and hit that notification bell so you always get notified whenever I post a video. And to my lovely subscribers, thank you for always joining me. I love you so much. So I'll go ahead and I'll just get right into it, okay? I'll go ahead and dice my onion and also my 3 cloves of garlic, okay? So for the chicken thighs, I'll go ahead and season this with black pepper, Cameroon pepper, okay? It's hot, okay? So I'll season this with black pepper, my chicken seasoning, salt, and garlic um, powder, okay? I will also allow this to rest for about 10 minutes before I will go ahead and fry this. Pour in a little bit of oil into your frying pan. Once it gets hot, go ahead and fry the chicken on both sides until it's very cooked, okay? So this takes about 10 to 12 minutes on both sides, okay? So while that is frying, I will go ahead and dice my remaining vegetables. I will just be cutting my mushrooms, and this is chestnut mushroom. It has lots of flavor, so that is why I love to use this mushroom whenever I can find it, okay? So that I have my chili peppers, I'll go ahead and dice this as well. Guys, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and share my videos whenever you can, okay? So back to the chicken, I'm still frying. I have my water there for my spaghetti, okay? So I'll go ahead and flip this over. You can see this is not where we want it, so I will keep it. And this is after 5 minutes to 6 minutes, and it's still not yet there yet. So let's leave that. So I'll go ahead and season my water with a tablespoon of salt and oil, and then I'll add my spaghetti to that. Okay, so let's check back on the chicken. So I think it's there right now. We'll just go ahead and flip this over and allow it for another 6 minutes, okay? So the chicken is well fried, as you can see. So just go ahead and take this off. Okay, so in the same oil, I'll be going in with my onion and garlic. Allow this to fry for about a minute. And then I'll be going in with the mushrooms. Allow this to also saute for about 1 to 2 minutes. I'll be going in with a little bit of thyme, about 1 tablespoon of thyme. And now I'll pour in my white wine. Allow this to reduce. While we're at it, let me go ahead and strain the spaghetti, okay? So run this under water so it stops it from cooking. Can you see how lovely the spaghetti looks? Alright, So this has been sauteing for about 2 minutes, and you can see the wine is really reduced. So I'm going with my chili peppers right now. Guys, you don't need much to make something so sweet, so decadent at home, okay? So after that, I'll be going in with my bell pepper. I'm using just the red bell pepper. Yeah, a little bit of seasoning and my single cream. Give that a stir. And put in the chicken. So I'm also adding in roasted garlic. Allow this to cook for about 3 minutes. Add in your cheddar cheese. So I'm going with about 100 grams of cheddar cheese. So I'm adding in my spinach into the spaghetti. I brought it back on fire, okay? So I'll just mix that in like so, and then put in our delicious sauce into the spag. Guys, can you see how this looks? And so easy to make. This takes about 10 minutes to make such delicious tasty sauce, okay? You can do it from your home. It's so easy, and I'm sure your visitors, your wifey, your hubby, your kids will love this, trust me. Alright guys, so we allow that to cook again for an additional 2 minutes, and guys, we are done. So just going with a little bit of lemon. Everything is lovely with lemon, okay? It brings out the flavor of your food. So guys, I hope you loved this video. I enjoyed making this video. Please do not forget to give this a thumbs up, and do not forget to subscribe if you've not yet subscribed to my channel. Thank you all. I appreciate you all, and until I come your way next time, take care and God bless you. Have a lovely day. Bye bye.